Subject English about in the grammar which let we discuss now today. The grammar is 1 mark. The question will ask for you in the last main 35 question. Rearrange the following segment to form a meaningful sentence. What question they will ask? Rearrange the jumbled segment to form a meaningful sentence. Question I have given here. To us hyphen given hyphen all things hyphen for a purpose hyphen have been. Now in this first you have to try to catch the subject here. What is the subject here? All things is the subject. What is that? All things is the subject right here. All things. Now you have to use this tenses. Tenses like was, were, have been, had been, are, is. These are the words you have to try to catch. Now here in this you can find last one here. Have been. All thing is the subject. Have been. Now predicate, remaining word, given to us for a purpose. You can understand easily. All thing is the subject. Have been is the one of the tenses, continuous tense. Have been given. Have all things have been given. Given is the third. To us for a purpose. All things have been given to us for a purpose. One of the jumble segment. The second one example, extremely hyphen expensive hyphen in Brazil motor car hyphen R. Now main subject is what here? Motor car is the main subject. Subject is motor car. In this question subject was all things. Right? Here the things is motor car. Motor car. Now you have to use is, was. Which are the word? Is or was or were or have been or have, that is called had. These are the words we have to try to use that. Motor car is the first subject word. Now here it is given question are. Motor car are. Now here motor car are. Next now predicate are extremely expensive in Brazil. Last the predicate we have to use. Motor car are extremely expensive in Brazil. That is the rearrange the jumble segment. 1 mark question they will ask to you. Rearrange the following meaningful sentence into jumble. Next question is what do you underline the word in the following extract refers to? The question is they will give the one paragraph and there will be underline. This underlines refers to what we have to try to understand. First is Ravi designed the trophy. Hand over to the winner. Full stop. These are presented. Now these, what is these refers to? Here the sentence they have used. What that is? Ravi designed the trophy. Hand over to the winner. This is called as trophy. This is known as trophy. Answer. This refers to trophy. Now here this first answer we got. This refers to trophy. Are presented to them. For whom they will present? Winner. They will present to the winner. We have to try to understand that. What is the question they have asked first? Ravi designed the trophy, hand over to the winner. This is called as trophy. This means what they have won. This is the called trophy. This is known as trophy. This is things. Them is called for whom? The Ravi designed the trophy for the winner. Them is the winner. Second answer. Next, with a grand ceremony. Full stop. Though Ravi was not a sportsman, his passion, his is called as the person known as Ravi. His is known as the person Ravi. His, Ravi. Her, that is an girls. Here his is the person Ravi is called as. He is known as the Ravi. Now his passion for a design trophy are outstanding. He has his workshop in West Bengal. Where? The question where means the place. Where is the called? The place called West Bengal. Where is the place? West Bengal. Where is called? West Bengal. First is this. This is known as things, refers to trophy. The next is them. Them is the person who is the winner. The third, his refers to a person. Ravi is describing here his. Already they have given. Though Ravi was not a sportsman. You try to concentrate on that line itself. His. In this line only it will be the Ravi. The sportsman is the person called Ravi. You can write the his is the sportsman or though Ravi. Next is that next here. Here is refers to where. They have given the word where. Where refers to the place. Place is called West Bengal. This is the called as. To one is this question will ask for 1 marks to you. jumble segment, any one they can ask. And in this one, 4 question, that is an word they will give. These is refers to things. Remember, them is who is the person winner. Then his, the person, the man, Ravi. Then where is the place called West Bengal. This will ask for 4 marks. Next, we'll move to the next.